Hello kids, let's learn numbers, colors and countings. So let's start. Oh no, where's my numbers have gone? Can you help me to put them in right order? So let's start. First is number 1. 1 ball. Number 1. It's purple color. Next is number 2. 2 chocolate. Number 2. It's blue color. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 cakes. Number 3. It's orange color. Next is number 4. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 candies. Letter 4. And it's green color. Next is number 5. 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 5. It's pink color. Next is number 6. 6 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number 6 is blue color and it goes here. Number 7. 7 butterflies. So let's count. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6 and number 7. Here is number 7 and it's green in color and it goes here. Next is number 8. Strawberry. 8 strawberries. So let's count. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number 8. It's red color and it goes here. Next is number 9. 9 caps. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Number 9. It's brown color and it goes here. Next is number 10. 10 ice creams. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here is number 10 and is light green color and it goes here. See, here we have completed numbers and we have learned colors and countings. Thank you for helping.